last week, so we might as well take a look at the pound Aussie just to finish the Aussie pairs. But before I go to the, well, let's finish the pound Aussie. The pound Aussie, as you remember looking at the pound, we do have some strength coming in slightly in the pound, and it is sitting at the structural points. This is with the pound dollar, this is the pound dollar, I'm sorry. So I'm doing the pound dollar now, and then I'm going to do the pound New Zealand. And this is looking at the index. Right there, we closed the week at 160.67. The structure point is 160.64, so we are right there. This actually, again, makes our trade very easy with the pound. We're looking for that thing to continue higher, so I'm going just to stay true to form, and I want you to keep this in mind, guys. Look at this. This is how tired the pound is and how tired the dollar is. This is fatigue. I mean, it goes in spurts of 40, 30 pips, and it pulls back 20, 30 pips. It spurts back up 20, 30 pips. This is how tired this pair is, because you're dealing with two weak currencies so far. The pound is weak and the dollar is weak. So you're getting this knee-jerk kind of reaction based upon the spur of the moment. So this shouldn't be on our top of the list to trade. But if you look at it, if it breaks below the 160.64 structure point, look at this. You got 160.54, 160.48, 160.34. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, and 160.20. Look at these levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do you want to go short? I mean, it's technically really is you're dealing with two pairs that are extremely tight. But since we are doing it, this has to be technically, this is the starting point, so we're going to supposedly going short below the structure, and that's going to be our short stop and our short entry. On the long side, we're already above the structure, so we're going to take it above the 160.90. So we're going to take the pound dollar above 160.90, which is pretty much near the high of the day. If I do, I have a structural long point at 161.10, and my stop is going to be the 160.64, so that is going to remain my stop, which is the structure point. On the short side, I'm going to go short below the 160.64, which is the structure point, and that is going to be my short stop. Okay, so we're going to go long above 160.90, and the next structure point is the 161.10, and the stop is going to be the structure point, which is the 160.64, and that structure point is going to be our short entry. We're going to take it short from there, and that will be our short entry and our stop. Okay, that is the pound dollar. Let me save that.